This video may be one of the most important videos of your life. What you are seeing now is more than swimming. It is a form of movement that can restore your body's natural freedom and change the quality of your life. The flowing motion reawakens your spine, releases your hips, and teaches your body how to move again in harmony with itself. You do not need to do it perfectly. Just listen to the rhythm, to your breathing, and to the movement of the water. Every wave heals. Every motion gives back a piece of what your body once knew. If you practice patiently and gradually, your body will come alive again. Your movement will become free, and you will feel what it truly means to live a full life without physical limitations. This motion does not only reshape your body, it also rebalances your nervous system. The rhythm of the water calms the mind, the breath deepens, and the tension dissolves. With 6 months of steady, mindful practice, you may be able to swim continuously for 20 minutes in this style. And at that point, you will experience what it feels like when your body, your breath, and your mind move together as one continuous flow. This form of movement is one of the most complex and yet most natural motions the human body can perform. The dolphin-like wave activates the entire spine. When the wave begins in the pelvis and travels upward to the head, the fine segments between the vertebrae awaken and the body regains its fluidity. This is not only beautiful to watch, it is deeply healing. The spine regains its flexibility and natural rhythm. The water supports the body, reducing pressure between the vertebrae, improving microcirculation, and nourishing the discs. The motion is dynamic yet gentle, especially helpful for those who sit a lot, suffer from back pain, or have lost the sense of suppleness in their body. The center of the motion is the hip. Everything begins there, like a rhythmic conductor, guiding the body's energy through the legs and the torso. The gluteal muscles, the hip flexors, and the hamstrings all work together to provide strength and stability. The subtle tilt of the pelvis enhances blood flow, increases joint mobility, and stimulates the organs in the lower abdomen. Even the pelvic floor muscles are gently activated, improving muscle tone, organ support, and circulation in the lower body. The hip becomes not only the center of power, but also the source of rhythm and balance. For the movement to be complete, every segment of the body must cooperate. The pull of the arms, the swing of the hips, and the motion of the legs merge into a single, harmonious chain. This synchronization develops neuromuscular integration, the communication between the nervous system and the muscles. The body constantly sends messages to itself. The arms feel the resistance of the water, the hips respond to the momentum, the legs adjust to the rhythm. This awareness heightens proprioception, the sense of where your body is in space. Through regular practice, you learn to feel subtle internal signals again, and this mindfulness begins to shape how you move in everyday life. The motion becomes not just muscular work, but a nervous system training that reconnects the brain with the body. The physiological effects of this movement extend to the entire organism. The combination of dolphin-like waves and breaststroke-style arms strengthens and regenerates at the same time. The core muscles stabilize, the back and abdominal muscles come into balance, and the body's center grows resilient. Because of the resistance of water, each motion is slow, controlled, and simultaneously dynamic and isometric, building strength without strain. Breathing at the water's surface trains the diaphragm, improves lung capacity, and refines breath control. The rhythm of the wave massages the internal organs, stimulates digestion and lymph flow, and assists in natural detoxification. With regular practice, blood circulation improves, the heart works more efficiently, and oxygen delivery to the muscles increases. Breathing becomes deeper, metabolism accelerates, and the immune system grows stronger. Exercising in cool water reduces inflammation and helps release stress. The rhythmic movement activates the parasympathetic nervous system responsible for rest and recovery. After each session, both body and mind experience relaxation. The muscles soften, the breathing steadies, and the nervous system returns to balance. The benefits reach far beyond the pool. Posture improves, lower back pain diminishes, the shoulders open, and walking becomes lighter. Those who once felt stiff, tired, or weak regain flexibility, energy, and equilibrium. After 6 months of consistent, mindful training, 20 minutes of continuous swimming in this pattern becomes achievable. And at that moment, the movement of your body feels effortless, almost weightless, like rediscovering your childhood ease. Remember, you are not trying to be perfect. The goal is not appearance but safety, awareness, and gradual progress. Pay attention to your hips, to your breathing, to the rhythm of each wave. When practiced with patience, every motion becomes healing. This is more than a sport. It is a full body and nervous system recalibration. The waves of the water return the body to its natural freedom. The harmony between breathing and motion quiets the mind. Whoever makes this practice a part of daily life will not only become stronger and more flexible, but will also live longer, healthier, and more completely. Because the freedom of movement is the foundation of a complete life.